Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Kate and I post here vegan recipes and I talk about vegan and eco-friendly lifestyle. Today I have for you a recipe for vegan nuggets. They are not only healthier than the one that you can buy in the shop, but also they are oil-free and nut-free and soy-free and easily can be made gluten-free, which I think is really great if you're allergic to any of those. So without further ado, let's get straight into the recipe. For the nuggets we will need 200 grams of oyster mushrooms. If they are big ones, tear them into smaller pieces. In the bowl we will mix all the ingredients for the crumb mixture, which is 40 grams of whole grain rice flakes, 60 grams of whole grain breadcrumbs. If you want the nuggets to be gluten-free, use gluten-free breadcrumbs or grounded nuts. 10 grams of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and about half to 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we will make the batter. In the bowl we will mix 35 grams, which is about 1/4 cup of chickpea flour, 5 milliliters, which is about 1 teaspoon of liquid aminos or low sodium soy sauce, and 125 milliliters, which is about half a cup of water. We will mix it all very well until there is no clumps left, and then we will start coating the mushrooms. First, we will dip the mushroom in the batter, making sure that it's fully covered, and then in the crumb mixture. When the mushroom is coated well, we will place it on a baking tray lined with baking paper and repeat the same with all the mushrooms that we have left. When they are all ready, we will spray them with aquafaba. Aquafaba is a leftover water from cooking beans. The most popular is the water from chickpeas, and that's the one I'm using here. We will make sure that all the mushrooms are sprayed, and we will turn them upside down and do the same on the other side. Aquafaba will ensure that they will bake nicely and will have this nice crunch to them. Basically, it replaces the oil in this situation. But if you want, you can also use oil instead of aquafaba. Then we will bake them on 100 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit on conventional settings for 10 minutes. Then we will turn them upside down and bake for another 10 minutes. And basically that's it. Serve them immediately with your favorite ketchup, barbecue sauce or vegan mayo. This amount is great for 2 people as a side dish or for 1 person as a small meal. It's easy to replace the mushrooms with tofu or seitan or whatever else that you think that could fit in it. So definitely feel free to experiment, and if you ever try to make this one or any other of my recipes, I would highly appreciate if you can take a picture and post it on Instagram, tagging me ReShape_official so I can see it as well. And also I would like to invite you to my Instagram. I do post there way more often than in here. There are some also exclusive recipes, so definitely head over and check it out. And if you like this video, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. It really helps a lot. And also, if you're interested, as always, the full breakdown to this recipe is already up on my website. You can find the link in the description down below. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.